very big hurricane in '05.
They're still recovering. You know, everyone thinks it's okay back there, but it's not. There's a lot of stuff still going on.
That it wrecked a lot of homes and it cost a lot of money.
It hit New Orleans.
Flooded New Orleans.
Yeah, flooded New Orleans, and then it made the Superdome one of the biggest crime centers in the world.
The Saints couldn't play there anymore.
Well, it was a really bad hurricane in New Orleans, and a lot of people died from it. People were lost their houses. Yeah, died. Were injured, lost families. We helped out a lot. Everything was destroyed.
A lot of people had a tough time in Hurricane Katrina. Lives were lost, families torn apart, and worst of all, people's houses were burned down.
New Orleans was a bowl, and
it flooded
What?
because it's a bowl, and then the hurricane, and there's a lot of random water.
The levees broke. I know that. And it was tragic. A lot of people lost their homes, and some people lost their lives.
Very nervous. No one knew me. No.
What do you know about Hurricane Katrina?
Oh, let me tell you about Hurricane Katrina. Actually, it went back. Stop, why are you so close? Let me tell you.
Look at the camera. What do you know about Hurricane Katrina?
I don't feel comfortable answering this.
How about you?
Can I answer
What?
Can I start over?
Go ahead. Just stay.
Okay. Hi there.
How do you feel about that some people were electrocuted in the waters?
Why? You didn't tell me you were coming at me with this such terrible information. Like, how am I supposed to react to that? That sounds really bad.
There we go. About Hurricane Katrina. Wait, now do it.
Oh, what the
What
hell?
do you guys know
now
about-
you're gonna make me look like an idiot because I don't know anything.
What do you guys know about Hurricane Katrina?
It's linked to Al Qaeda because it starts with a K. Both of them start with a K. Qaeda, Katrina. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get her, and we're gonna bring her to justice. And we found her in Pakistan with Osama bin Laden in the military compound. And we killed her.